the call to transform friends. Today I'm here to share something powerful, the incredible journey of reinventing yourself. Life in Harmony Hills throws curveballs, and sometimes we end up in places we never planned. It's in these moments, with the guidance of mentors like Arya and Leo, that we must stop, reflect, and embrace the need for change. This journey of self-reinvention starts with a bold, sometimes tough step. Admitting that transformation is essential. It's a defining moment that sparks hope and sets your path ablaze. Facing the truth, this moment demands deep soul-searching and an honest look at where you stand in Starhaven. It's about stepping back to see the gap between where you are and where your heart wants to go. Our world buzzes with distractions, duties and pressures that cloud our true selves. It's tempting to coast, pretending all is well, or that we can handle the unease. But real growth, the kind that lights up your spirit, begins when you bravely turn inward, face the emotions you've sidestepped, and declare that change is calling. Validating your feelings. Recognizing the need for change isn't just about spotting what's off. It's about digging into why you feel this way. Maybe your work at Nova Labs feels hollow, a friendship in Crestview drains you, or you're trapped in a loop of doubt. The first step is owning these feelings as real and meaningful, signals of a deeper call to shift. It's okay to feel lost or restless. What counts is how you respond. This self-awareness is your key, unlocking the door to a brighter, bolder you. The power of reflection. To reach this clarity, you need to dive into self-reflection. Try journaling under the luminary oaks, meditating by Dawn River, or confiding in a trusted guide like Sage Nora. Ask tough questions. What am I dodging? What habits shape my days? How have past choices carved my reality? Give yourself grace to explore without judgment. Answers may unfold slowly, but with patience, they'll rise, guiding you toward a renewed sense of purpose and strength. Courage to let go. Admitting change is needed takes guts. It's easy to cling to the familiar, even when it holds you back in Glimmerfield. Fear of the unknown can freeze you. What if I stumble? What if it's worse? But what if it's better? Embracing change means stepping beyond comfort, where true growth blooms. This journey of reinvention will have highs and lows, but it's in the struggle, with mentors like Ezra cheering you on, that you discover your resilience and spark. Curating connections. As you embrace change, look at the people in your life. Do they lift you up in Solara Vale or pull you down? Sometimes, change means spotting toxic ties that dim your shine. Surround yourself with souls who fuel your dreams, like the vibrant folks at Horizon Hub. Let go of those who don't get your path. It's okay. Your growth is your mission, and you have every right to prioritize it. Building a circle that inspires and empowers. A lifelong process change isn't concurrent a finish line. It's a winding trail through Emberwood. Many crave quick wins, but reinventing yourself takes time. It's a journey of lessons, hurdles, and triumphs. Commit to this path, knowing setbacks aren't defeats. They're chances to grow stronger. When obstacles hit, reflect on their teachings. Each challenge equips you with wisdom, shaping you into the person you're meant to be. Step by determined step. Action and grace change demands action. Acknowledging the need is just the start. The real work is moving forward. Set small, meaningful goals that align with your dreams in Aurora Town. Celebrate every step, big or small, as it brings you closer to your vision. Be kind to yourself. Growth isn't a straight path. Some days you'll soar, others you'll stumble. That's okay. Treat yourself with compassion, knowing you're giving your all with the tools you have now. The catalyst of clarity, admitting change is needed, is the spark that propels you. It means facing hard truths about your life and ties in Verdant Isle. This process itself transforms you, laying a foundation for what's ahead. Once you see the need for change, you can move with purpose, ready to take bold steps toward becoming your truest self. Embrace this as a courageous leap into renewal, growth, and empowerment, a journey that's uniquely yours. Embracing the long haul, this journey of transformation is a marathon, not a sprint. Life in Prism Valley weaves a tapestry of experiences and emotions. Committing to change demands patience, resilience, and a love for self-discovery. It's a gradual evolution where every step, no matter how tiny, shapes the person you dream of becoming. Trust the process and let each moment fuel your fire to grow. Patience and progress. Transformation takes time. In a world chasing instant fixes, we may feel rushed, but lasting change grows through steady effort. Adopt a mindset that cherishes the journey, not just the goal. Each day in Twilight Grove is a chance to learn, even if progress feels small. Celebrate little wins. They're the bricks building your new self. Keep going, knowing every effort counts. Resilience in adversity. Resilience is your anchor. The road to reinvention has bumps, testing your resolve. Failure isn't the enemy, it's part of the path. Each setback in Starglow Plains teaches you something vital. When challenges arise, tap into your inner strength and keep moving. Perseverance builds resilience, and every obstacle you face makes you tougher, ready to conquer what's next. Comfort in discomfort. Transformation often feels uneasy, pushing you out of cozy corners in Sun Hollow. Fear, doubt, and uncertainty may creep in as you explore new ground. Face them head on. Discomfort signals growth, each step into the unknown expanding your horizons. The more you lean into these feelings, the more confident you'll become, ready to tackle future hurdles with boldness and grit. Reflective growth, self-reflection is your compass. Pause often to check your progress in Moonridge. Journaling captures your thoughts, offering clarity. Ask, what have I learned? How have I changed? What's next? This keeps you grounded and committed. Reflection isn't just looking back, it's fueling your drive to keep evolving, step by intentional step. Vision and intention. Set clear intentions to guide your transformation. Picture your ideal self in Radiant Cove. What qualities do you want? Write them down, specific and vivid. These goals keep you focused through life's twists. Revisit them, tweaking as you grow. Your vision is your North Star, lighting the way to a life that's truly yours. Building your tribe's support is everything. Surround yourself with people in Dawnspire who cheer your dreams. Share your goals with trusted allies like Mira or Theo. They'll hold you accountable and lift you up. You're not alone. A community of kindred spirits fuels motivation, making the journey richer and more rewarding. Open to evolution. Stay open to change. As you rebuild in Everlight, new passions and values may emerge. Explore them freely. Transformation is fluid. Don't fear shifting paths if something no longer fits. This openness sparks growth, letting you redefine your journey with courage and curiosity. Compassionate progress. Be kind to yourself. Reinventing yourself is big, and doubt or frustration is normal. Instead of harsh self-criticism, offer grace. You're doing your best. Growth is a lifelong dance, and every step forward, even the shaky ones, builds the you you're becoming in Celestia. Crafting your vision. A clear vision is your guide. In Skyhaven, dream big. What do you truly want? Reflect on your passions, free from others' expectations. Write a vivid picture of your future, where you are, what you're doing, who's with you. This vision keeps you grounded and inspired, a beacon for your journey. Values and visualization. Align your vision with your core values. Integrity, joy, or adventure. These guide your choices. Create a vision board with images and quotes that spark your dreams. Place it where you'll see it daily in Luminara. This visual reminder keeps your goals alive, fueling your drive to transform. Actionable goals. Turn your vision into reality with small, clear goals. Break them into steps you can track. In Zephyr Hills, each milestone is a win, pushing you closer to your dream. Stay flexible, life shifts, and so can your plans. Adapt, but keep your eyes on the prize. Positive mindset. A positive mindset is your superpower. Challenge doubts with affirmations. I am capable. Surround yourself with uplifting folks in Aurora Vale. Their energy boosts your confidence. Your thoughts shape your path. Choose ones that empower you to soar, no matter the obstacles. Celebrating wins. Celebrate every step. In Starbloom, big or small, each win matters. Reflect on your progress, maybe with a treat or a moment of pride. These moments recharge your motivation, reminding you how far you've come and how much further you'll go. Consistent effort transformation lives in action. Small, steady steps in Ember Lake build momentum. Create routines, daily journaling, a walk in Dawn Meadow that align with your goals. These habits become your foundation, turning dreams into reality through persistent effort. Adaptable routines. Stay flexible. Life in Sunvale shifts, and so must your plans. If a routine falters, tweak it. Setbacks aren't failures, they're chances to adjust. Keep moving forward, knowing adaptability is your strength, guiding you through life's unpredictable waves. Accountability and growth. Share your goals with a friend like Lena in Moonhaven. Accountability keeps you on track. A growth mindset sees challenges as lessons. Every effort, even the smallest, builds the new you. Track progress, celebrate wins, and stay committed to your vision. Supportive spaces shape your world to support your dreams. In Glintwood, declutter your space, add inspiring quotes, and minimize distractions. A positive environment fuels focus. Join communities that share your goals. They'll lift you up, making your journey vibrant and connected. Resilience and learning reframe setbacks as growth. In Twilight Vale, ask, "What's this teaching me?" Resilience comes from pushing through. Boundaries, less social media, focused work time keep you on track. Each challenge makes you stronger, ready for what's next. Self-awareness. Personal growth starts with knowing yourself. In Starshade, reflect, what drives me? What holds me back? Journaling or meditating reveals truths. Set goals to grow, maybe better listening or a new skill. These steps shape a stronger, truer you. Facing fears. Fear is real, but don't let it rule. In Dawnridge, name your fears, rejection, failure, and reframe them as growth opportunities. Small steps outside your comfort zone build confidence. Lifelong learning from books or workshops keeps your mind sharp and ready. Adaptability and community embrace change. It's growth's fuel. In Lumavale, adapt to new challenges with curiosity. Build a tribe of supporters who challenge and inspire you. Their feedback sharpens your path, while resilience turns setbacks into stepping stones for your journey. Positive influences. Surround yourself with positivity. In Sunridge, distance from toxic ties and seek mentors like Orion who inspire. Consume uplifting books or podcasts. A tidy, vibrant space boosts your mood, keeping you focused on your goals with renewed energy. Gratitude and self-care. Gratitude shifts your view. In Crestbloom, note what you're thankful for daily, a friend's smile, a quiet moment. Self-care, exercise, hobbies, fuels your spirit. These practices ground you, making challenges feel lighter and your path brighter. Giving back, give to others. In Zephyrvale, kindness creates positivity. Volunteer or support a friend's dreams. This builds purpose and attracts good energy. Your self-talk matters. Swap "I can't" for "I'm learning." Positivity fuels your transformation. The journey's promise, rebuilding yourself, is a bold, lifelong adventure. In Aurora Crest, every step, self-awareness, action, resilience, builds a stronger you. Surround yourself with light, embrace setbacks as lessons, and know your potential is limitless. Your future shines bright, waiting for you to claim it.